Yes, first of all, good morning to all of you present over here. So, my name is Suraj Pawar. Once again, come back with one of the new topic, which is having the Shopify. So, first of all, we have to make like how we can make the Shopify website because nowadays, if we want to know, if we do not want to use like coding, because if we do not know HTML, CSS, all those things, so we can go through with like this kind of things. So, click on like Shopify.in. So when I just click on that, so here is like the things which is, so enter your mail ID. So I'm just enter because in this website we can say that there is a 14 days free trial which is present, and by entering the mails that you have to agree with this. So this is the kind of like things you can customize, add the product, sell. Then after this, all this about the having this for it is basically which is used for like e-commerce website, right? So for this, like I just using, so you can add your like store name, for example, I like clothes, storage kind of things, right? So then if I just click on the like having create your store. Then when I just click, so it take quite some time, just wait it. Yes. Then one of the pop-up come that let's get started with which of these having the best describes to you. So you can say you can skip it or you can just say like so I just said yeah, I'm big now, like I'm just newly first started. Then where would you like to sell? So means these are the like mediators which in like social media, like instance which are having like websites, social media, like by using like a Facebook page or Instagram, different social media we can use, or online marketplace like Google, this so like eBay, then Alibaba Express. So these are the things, or so kind of things I just selected, right? So skip on next. Then which social channels that would you like? Facebook, Instagram, then there's so much. Okay. Then which Google, so Google this and so on, eBay. Okay. Then after that, yes. So where will your business be located? So my business is like there are a lot of these are the job ops. So I'm mostly in India. So yes, enterprise store India. After that, we now we can see the proper dashboards, means exactly what proper dashboard which is present over here. So you can see like here is your trial just having this. So you can see like selected a plan. Okay, so means it's we can see that in first page only like there is 14 days free trial only present, and after that they having we have to choose the plans as per our requirement or kind of projects, and we can like we have to pay it for them, right? Kind of per month we can have in Indian rupees we can pay, we can pay. So there is a like store details and all. So first of all I just want to first of all I just want to these are the dashboard which is present, right? So there is a home, so inside we can see that there is a home tab, like this all the thing. So in this orders, so whatever the customer which they have in order, so all the details which is present over here. So in the products, so in product we can having see that whatever the products which is list which is present. So after that we have the customers. So customers means the customer mail ID, password, and all the things which is present, phone number and all which is present, mean how much means what, for example if the Suraj is a customer, so what item that Suraj will purchase from this website, and a lot of things like their address, their phone number, then what the on which date, time, and all those things. After that means we can see here the analytics and dashboards, like in what product which is having highly like sale on that month, and kind of things we can see that. So these are the reports, and then we have can also have live views also which is present. After that marketing, so in marketing we have like different forms like shopping, shop, then they have different apps which is used like email marketing and all. And discount means we have just generate or we can make one discount coupons kind of things. So we can make handmade. And after that, when we I just click on like Online show. This is like having by default website which is present. So what I just do is that I just click on this. Yes. So when I just click on the online store, in online store there are the themes. So themes may having like the other themes, they have two types of forms like free themes also, that Shopify free themes. So you can visit like paid and unpaid both. Then blog post, in blog post we can see like we had to just click on like create blog post and title, content and all those things. Then we have the extension, then tags which is required. Then after that we have to click on the pages. If for example if you want to add the pages, so title, content, about descriptions, and by default like we have to connect it with that navigation, that we have like home, footer part having it in main part is home, catalog, contact, and in footer part search or form, and in preferences of forms like home page and some kind of description about our page and all this, and social variety icons if you want to add it, and also like on Google Analytics we can add it over there. And apart from that, in settings we can see that we have like plans, billing, and so what the billings which is present, time, like payment modes and all those things. Okay, so we have also having domain. Means for example, if you want to buy domain, for example, I have chosen like a Suraj cloths. So Suraj cloth dot in, Suraj underscore cloths dot kind of in dot com dot com dot in. So these kind of domains we have to purchase those over there. And then we can having like payment methods. So payment is like PayPal, which is having integration, or we can choose as per our requirement. We can choose with there, which is manually method and all. After that, we have domain, then brand. So in brand, we can choose like a kind of logos and we have to create it. So there are a lot of things which is like others website which is present. So we can download or we can get the free features also, like Canva and all those things. We can make our banners and all those things for like to make the good websites and all. So to make and to see the beautiful website, right? So we can make all those things. So we can just cut it. So yes, so this is all about. And apart from that, we have like apps. So in that app, for example, these are the recommended apps and the sales which is setting. So when I just click on the apps, so they are the like some apps are free and some apps are like paid, which is present. For example, if I want to add it in my add it in my website like chatbot. So for that we can use these kind of apps, free apps like free chatbot app we can choose in and we can put it or we can add it with them. So these are the main features or what is the importance of the apps which is present. So yes, so this is all about like I'm just giving the small introduction about that how we can make how we can make a Shopify like any kind of e-commerce website, or for example if we have some kind of business, for example I'm an artist, so I have like good paintings and all. So I can make my own like own Shopify website like artist by Suraj. So I just posted different paintings and arts form. So I just put it. So I just shared with my different social medias, for example, by creating Instagram page, creating Facebook page and all. So the customers or the person who have just see and they purchase or they also know about myself. So these are the most important things and which is required for them. And the most important thing is like in this there is no coding which is required. So it's like without coding we have to make our own website. So this is all about. Thank you so much.